This is a tutorial on how to connect to Hack the Box through OpenVPN using a specialized operating system for pen testing. We're going to use the Parrot security operating system. So if you go to parrotsec.org, you can see all the different versions they have, and they actually have a Hack the Box version available, but I'm just going to use the regular security edition. So I just went ahead and downloaded that file. Next, I'm going to create a new machine in VirtualBox. I do that by selecting New, and then go ahead and give it a name, and then you add the ISO image that you just downloaded from Parrot Security. Now I'm assigning system resources. I want this to be fairly powerful, so I'm giving it 8 gigs of RAM. And 20 gig hard drive for the virtual disk is more than enough. So you click Finish, and then you start the machine. So you'll see when you start the machine that it's a basic operating system graphical interface, and you can actually use just the ISO image to access Hack the Box, but we're going to install it on the virtual hard disk, and you can check the description for why I recommend doing that versus using it off of like the live ISO. So right now I'm just adding the username and a password, and then select install, and this takes a while, so we're going to fast forward through that. Once it's installed, you can turn the machine off, and you want to adjust some settings. So the first thing you can do is just remove everything except the hard disk from the boot order, and then you can actually delete that ISO image from the storage. Next is to just go to network and check bridged adapter. That's going to allow you to access the internet. So the next thing is to start the machine up and log into your Hack the Box account. And then go to Connect HTTP in the top right corner, and then click the OpenVPN option, download the VPN. So go ahead and do that. Once the file is downloaded, you'll see it in your downloads folder. All you have to do is right click and select Open in Terminal, type sudo openvpn and the name of that file, and make sure to use a period and not a comma like I did. Now I always leave the OpenVPN terminal window open, and I just open another tab and keep it out of the way. I'm not sure how it is on other computers, but on my computer I've experienced problems with that in the past, so I just like to leave it open. So the next thing is to check within Hack the Box that you are connected. You can see it turns green once the connection is established, and then you can go into your machine, spawn the machine, and start working on your project. And the final thing is to just ping that machine and make sure that you are getting a connection. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. Thanks.